Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karima. If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome back fam. This video I have the honor to have worked with a company that reached out to me, and I was like, what? No way. I was ecstatic. So the company is babalabag.co, and I had the pleasure to speak with Teresa, and they sent over a bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the bag. I instantly fell in love with the bag. Yeah, I don't know, I just fell in love with the bag. I really did. So let's just get right into it. So here is the box, and she came in a beautiful box, and she's pretty big, so I want to see how I'm gonna do this. She came with the tassels. I obviously opened her to see her. She came with the certificates. You know, very, very professional. Shipping was a breeze. Wrapping paper. I keep sentimental things like that. Comes with a beautiful dust bag. So I opened her, but I didn't kind of assemble her in a sense. I believe this is the PM carry-on. I might be wrong. Zips beautifully. Everything comes inside. Everything is wrapped up beautifully. This is the handle. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assemble her, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I was able to go ahead and put her all the way together. So this is what she looks like. She is gorgeous. She is made of high quality. You ain't telling me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me absolutely nothing. No. What are you gonna tell me? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Because she is tea. So this is the Carry All East West monogram coated canvas. This is the bag. She is spacious. She has the burgundy interior. She has a little pocket right here. She is adjustable, but I put her so she fits perfectly around me. I am 5'2", so I am not that, tall, but I'm not that short either. So she fits perfectly right there for me. She is a perfect, like, going on an errand run, throw your keys, your wallet, boom, 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 or going out on date night, vacation, just all around. But shout out babalabag.co. And Teresa, thank you so much. It was a pleasure working with you, and I hope to further continue to work together with you. I want to thank you guys all for watching this video, and if you guys like this bag and want to know this bag, I'll have it linked below in the description box, as well as a discount code for you guys. Bye guys.